freshly ground coffee is pneumatically transferred into the primary extraction tank, the first step in our cold brew process. The highly concentrated coffee extract flows from the evaporators into the holding tanks below.
Here at the facility, our state-of-the-art stainless steel filtration system ensures the perfect brew every time.
This state-of-the-art facility ensures the highest quality processed liquid coffee extract, ready for distribution. The concentrated extract flows through the sealed system, maintaining hygiene before it reaches the freeze-drying stage.
Inside this sealed chamber, the instant coffee is freeze-dried, a process critical to preserving the rich aroma and flavor.
The mechanical separation stage uses high-speed precision grinders to break down the dried extract into fine, consistent granules. As the dried coffee extract cascades down the chute, the highly detailed texture of the rich brown crystals is captured in stunning 4K resolution. Once dried, the concentrated granules are collected in these hygienic containers before moving to the next stage. The automated system ensures a perfect seal every time, maintaining the freshness of the instant coffee.
The jars are now moving toward the final packaging stage, where they will be sealed and boxed for shipment.
Here at the facility, efficiency and precision are paramount as the finished jars move down the line. Here at the heart of the automated line, precision is paramount. Every jar is secured, ensuring the freshness of our signature blend. This state-of-the-art facility processes over 10,000 pallets of instant coffee every day, utilizing advanced robotics to manage the vast inventory.
The freshly sealed jars move along the stainless steel conveyor, ready for the final stage of packaging.
Sealed for freshness, these jars are now ready to be enjoyed, preserving the rich aroma of our premium blend.
Here, in our state-of-the-art facility, we capture the perfect crystal texture, ensuring every granule delivers unparalleled flavor.
Utilizing advanced robotics, we guarantee precision and consistency in every batch.
This is the final step, where the rich aroma of our instant coffee is sealed for freshness.
Ready for shipment, each jar represents the culmination of our precise manufacturing process.